Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error your purchase could not be completed. So guys, if you try to purchase apps or movies or games and you are facing the error, then I'll show you how can you fix this type of error. So the first method is guys, just simply you have to make sure that you have enough balance. Okay guys, if you don't have enough balance and try to purchase app or try to purchase something, then you won't be able to do that. Okay guys, if your balance is enough and still you are facing the error, just simply you have to tap on setting and just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID banner, and from here guys, just simply you have to go to media and purchases and just simply you have to tap on view account. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to manage your payments from here. Okay guys, wait some second from here because it's loading. So from here you have to tap on manage payment option and make sure that you have given correct information here. So from here guys, just simply you have to make sure that your debit or credit card expiry date is not over, and you have to make sure that you have given correct information here. And after that you have to tap on country origin. So from here you have to change your country origin. So before changing the country, you have to make sure that you have changed your payment method and try to purchase app. Maybe your problem will be fixed. If problem is there, you have to change the country and your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.